Shalom, shalom, shalom. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Chevelle in my backyard garden. It's a little cool this morning, but I am out this morning um, to check on my winter sowing and my water jugs. So, how I winter soak my water jugs is that I have several jugs like this. You get just a regular milk jug, water jug, sweet tea jug like this. You cut it open like this, and you also put a few holes at the bottom, and you fill the inside with soil. You cut around the jug, not all the way to the end, but just to a point where you'll be able to open it up when you get ready to take your plants or whatever you're planting. So in this winter sowing, what I planted was some flowers. I planted sunflowers. So this is my sunflower bucket, and there is a few sprouts in my sunflower. This is my lupin flower, and I have several that popped up in here. Now I have some jugs that I did not put a name on the outside of the flowers because I put a name tag on the inside, so I'll know what they are when I open the jug. So with this one, there's some small sprouts in this one. I'm not sure what that is, but I know it's a flower. And this one, I see one little sprout over here in the corner. So they're probably coming up. In this one, I see some little sprouts down there. I don't know if you can see them, but they're really small. And this one, there are some big sprouts. And all of these are flowers, so I have to go back in my book and read what flowers they are. This one also have some flowers sprouting. And this one also have a few sprouting. And this one. I also had some, I have some in a little Ziploc bag. Let me show you those. So these are my flowers in the Ziploc bags. These are coming up pretty well. And these are the lupine flowers as well. I sowed these on January the 24th. And these are white zinnias. And I sowed these also on January 24th in the Ziploc bags. So yeah, that's my winter sowing table. And those are my flowers. So I'm excited about it. So this is how I sow my flowers for my garden. Because in my grow room, I wanted to keep it available only for food. And that's it, just food. And also with the flowers, you know, it's gonna take some. It takes a little longer, but the soil that I used, it was like potting soil, and I shifted. I sifted. I'm sorry, to get all the sticks and things out of it, so they'll be able to grow. I think a couple of them I didn't get a chance to do it, but they're still growing. So I'm excited about that, and yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys on my winter sowing for my flowers. I hope you guys have a great day today. This is Chevelle in my backyard garden. And if you're new here and you like the content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back, my friends. Thank you for joining. Shalom and happy gardening.